Good morning, viewer. Behind here, here's some breaking news. Yeah, a study analyzing the properties of polarized light from 120 non-repeating RBS reveals mysterious cosmic explosions originate in far-away galaxies like our own Milky Way. New research from the University of Toronto utilizing data from the Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment reveals that the majority of fast radio bursts likely originate from environments similar to our Milky Way with modest densities and magnetic fields. This funding contrasts with earlier studies which suggested that repeating FRVs come from highly magnetized areas. What scientists previously thought about where first radio bursts come from is just the tip of the iceberg, according to new research led by astronomers at the University of Toronto. Yeah, the mysteries of the millisecond long cosmic explosions are unfolding with a new way of analyzing data from the Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment. Published June 11 in the Astrophysical Journal, the study details the properties of polarized light from 120 non-repeating FRBs, those from sources that have only produced a single burst to date. It finds that they appear to come from galaxies like our own Milky Way with modest densities and modest magnetic fields. Previous studies of FRBs have focused on much smaller samples of hyperactive repeating sources that, in contrast, appear to originate in dense, extremely magnetized environments. Only about 3% of known FRBs repeat, coming from a source that had produced multiply burst rings being found. Most radio telescopes can only see small points in the sky, making it easier to focus on repeating FRBs with known positions. Chimmy can survey an extremely large area of the sky to detect both repeating and non-repeating FRBs. This was the first look at the other 97%, says lead author Ayush Pandhi, a PhD student at the Dunlap Institute for Astronomy and Astrophysics and the David A. Dunlap Department of Astronomy and Astrophysics at the University of Toronto. It allows us to reconsider what we think FRBs are and see how repeating and non-repeating FRBs may be different. We have this exclusive report.